Hi guys, welcome back to Fangirlween. My hair is curled because it's appropriate to today's like makeup section. I think I did this 2 years ago. I believe I did. Maybe 1 year ago. I don't know. But I did like a or was it a creepy clown? It was a clown one, not a doll one. I wanted to do a kind of like porcelain doll kind of creepy situation vibe going on because I love porcelain dolls and I thought it'd be fun to try and do a makeup for it. You know, we're gonna do the human looking ones, not the ones with the weird white face. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna be putting corrects on my face yet. That's something I'm gonna decide in like the last minute. But we're just gonna make ourselves really pale and kind of just make ourselves look like a doll, like a creepy doll. It's not that hard to follow actually. It's my little costume. I have my hair all did. Hold on. And then in the back I have like this thing. Sorry. Let's get started. I'm excited. As per every makeup routine I've ever done, concealer is first. I always do my concealer first just because I have such bad bags under my eyes. Like, look at that. It's bad, I know. We're going to be using the Pro Base Liquid Concealer by MUA. And then we are going to use another MUA product, which is Hide and Conceal Concealer Stick. We're just going to put that in the normal concealer areas, like here, 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 maybe here, this. So, no, that's not good. Good transition. So let's do that. Fuck, that failed. So now that we have our concealer on, we're going to go in with our foundation. I am using the Illuminating Touch foundation from Collection in the colour Cool Ivory, which is the lightest shade that they have. For this I'm trying to be as pale as I possibly can, but I'm also being like, I'm keeping my skin colour to its true nature. Sorry, that was a yawn. So if you have like a darker skin tone or you have different coloured skin, just try and do something that's either the same as your natural skin colour, or if you want to be paler or more porcelain, I suggest you cover all of your skin in like a paler colour or something. I'm not saying if you're like dark skinned be completely white to be a porcelain doll. There are like dark skinned dolls out there. I'm just saying, just if you want it to look kind of perfect or paler, it's really up to you basically. It's what I'm trying to say. Just find something that will make you look porcelain and like a doll. Just find a colour that will work in your favour basically. So I'm gonna put this on now. So now that I have successfully caked my face, make sure you get your lips as well. I'll explain why later, but just make sure that your skin colour. We are going to go back in with the liquid foundation just to brighten up some areas so it's not all the same kind of colour. You get what I mean? You get what I mean? So I'm just going to pop it back here, 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 and here. And I'll be right back with that. Now we are going to set our face with the Pro Base Fixing Mist by MUA. I'm addicted to this brand because it's cheap and it works, so what can I say? So we're just gonna spray it on. Just set your face with anything you have, translucent powder, pressed powder, just set your face. That's all I'm saying, but I'm using this, so that's positive. And then we're just gonna let that dry so I can find the lid. Where did I put it? Whilst letting this dry a bit, I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows really quickly. Normally I don't do my eyebrows, but because we are going to look like a doll today, I do want to do them just so they give off that like painted on effect, you get me? So I'm going to use my brow pencil which says it's blonde, but it's not really, is it? Oh, okay, that's broken. We're not gonna use that. Inspire, which is up here. Just trying to do your brows, your brow colour, you know, do your brows the normal way. We're going for like a kind of natural dull look, so if you do your natural dull do your natural makeup, just kind of work around it, I guess. Now we are going to move on to, yeah, I know my eyebrows look a bit weird. I'm not used to doing them, so I'm just gonna try and work on them. But now we're gonna move on to doing our, what's it called? Eyeshadow. There we go. So we're going for a natural look, so I'm going to be using a lot of like browns. Just kind of like a natural makeup day, except for my eyebrows. They're meant to look like this. They're meant to look painted on. Okay? I feel so weird. The Night Rose Nightfall by BH Cosmetics. My auntie got me. We're going to use this. Do I want a sparkly? We're not going to do like the glittery thing that I normally do. We're going to use this. Maybe this, and this. And yeah, those colours. Say hi to yourself. Oh, I'm just going to explain. Sorry. Lid, crease, crease. And then under the eye, maybe. We'll see how this goes. White. Gonna get some white. I'm just gonna go in there. Now we're going to use a white eyeliner pencil on the lower lid, just to give the illusion that our eyes are really big and doll-like, basically. I have this PS eyeliner from Primark. It was £1, so I've been meaning to get a white eyeliner pencil for many years. We're just going to put that on our waterline. If I can open it to give us a doll-like appearance. Now we are going to use our mascara and just pack it on and make it look like we have really big lashes. I'm probably going to go get my, yeah, no, never mind. I have to wash this off, I'm not doing that. But just really get in there and really get it on your face, okay? Let's do that. Do you like my eyes? I'm the weirdest person on the planet, but that's all we're doing for the eyes, basically. Now, powder everywhere. Now we're gonna move on to contour, blush, and nope, highlights later. Never mind, I always forget that's last. Use my face palette from H&M, and we're gonna use the bronzer and the blush. I don't know what colours they are, just use whatever works for you. We're gonna, you know, just do normal contour and just use a lot of blush because dolls usually have very rosy cheeks. Now we're gonna do our lips, and I think this is gonna be a good combination, but I'm not entirely sure at this particular moment. But I'm going to use my MUA matte lipstick, which should say a colour somewhere, Scarlet Siren, and I've used this before many times. So we're just gonna, the reason I made my lips the skin colour is because we're not using all of our lips, we're only using like the middle portion, just to make our lips look more like, if you get what I'm saying. I'm going to use this brush here, and I'm going to do an outline. You'll see what I do, just watch what I do and follow along if you're following along, if you're just watching this because you can. So, yeah, have fun. It got a bit messy, so I'm going to clean it up. Now we're just going to add some highlight, you know, here, 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 above the lip and underneath. I think I just messed up my lipstick. We're good. yeah, this is the finished look. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see what I do after Fangirlween, because sadly this is the last day. And it's sad, which means it's the 31st of October. It's Halloween, but after today it's not going to be Halloween anymore, and it's just going to be dead. And then Christmas, and then to wait a year again till Halloween, so.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes.
It's a sad life for them, really, because Halloween is the only holiday and it's the best holiday.